Students, we are on a very important grammatical topic of this chapter, and this topic is related with conditional sentence, and we are going to discuss conditional type 2. We have already discussed conditional sentences in first chapter. If you want to know that what basically conditional sentences are, you can refer back to chapter number 1 and see that video. We are going to discuss here conditional type 2. The second conditional is like first conditional. We are still thinking about the future in second conditional. We are thinking about a particular condition in the future and the result of that condition. But there is not a real possibility that this condition will happen. हमने ये first condition में देखा था कि first condition में जो हमारे पास condition दी गई है उसका consequence जो है उसकी possibility है कि अगर फर्स्ट कंडीशन फुलफिल होती है तो जो उसका रिजल्ट है मेन क्लॉज में उसमें बहुत ज्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी होगी कि वो भी फुलफिल हो जाए. बट सेकंड कंडीशन में हमारे पास कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं होती उस कंडीशन की फुलफिल होने की. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if I won the lottery, I would buy a car. इस एग्जाम्पल में you do not have a lottery ticket. Is it possible to win? No. If you don't have a lottery ticket, is it possible to win? No. Not at all. Without lottery ticket, you can never win. But maybe you will buy a lottery ticket in future, so you can think about winning in future like a dream. It's not very real, but it's still possible. Let's move to the structure of second conditional sentence, and we use if clause with if plus past simple, and main clause will be go with would plus base form of the verb. As I already mentioned, the example, if I won the lottery, here won is the past simple verb, and next I would buy a car. And in the main clause, would plus base form of the verb, that is I would buy a car. Would plus buy is the base form. Students, notice that we are thinking about a future condition. We use the past simple tense to talk about the future condition. We use would plus base form of the verb to talk about the future result. Do not confuse with the condition and the result. Condition is always in if clause and the result is always in the main clause. The important thing about the second conditional sentences is that there is an unreal possibility that the condition will happen. कि यहाँ पे condition की unreal possibility है कि condition ही नहीं होगी. Look at these example sentences. If Ali became rich, he would go to London. Here you can easily put the structure over here that if Ali became is the past simple verb, and in the main clause he would go to London. He subject would is there plus base form go. So student, this was all regarding second conditional sentences. You just have to keep this in mind that there is unreal possibility that the condition will happen. And you just have to keep in mind the structure of second conditional sentence, that if plus past simple in the if condition, and in the result or consequences of that condition, that will be would plus base form of the verb. So students, I hope you understand this concept. Let's move to our next concept of grammar.